our V2 today as they approach. Look at that coming around right out here at Air Show Center. A beautiful sight, that incredible, unique platform that is the V2 Spirit. Just to give you an idea, that wingspan is 172 feet. It's 69 feet long. It stands 17 feet tall. It has a combat ceiling go up to 50,000 feet high. But look at this very unique platform we're getting here of the V2 Spirit from our United States Air Force, from right here in Missouri at Whiteman Air Force Base, the V2 Spirit. Let's give our team a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, the V2 Spirit. All right, Jeff, thank you so much for being with us. Size of that airplane coming right down our show line. That is the B-29, the Super Fortress. Great photo opportunity. Right down our show line. On July 7th, takeoff was delayed due to an issue with the Ford bombing doors. Latching shut, the flight was conducted with the undercarriage down. The event was on a live stream on YouTube and at the website. is gone. Okay, that's a part four. Then as we watch out here up here, show left. He's got, you can see that he's run some 14. He's got the ribbons out. They've got the poles spread. He's doing a nice job of keeping those ribbons nice and tight. But it's very critical that they do keep those tight because he has very minimal ground clearance as he attempts. He's going to come out, take a look at those ribbons right now. He's got it right down on the deck. From you show it about 180, 190 miles an hour in your speed indicator. He's coming right down the show right here.